So one way that I have created visuals on the go is I use the whiteboard to just draw and allow an abstract concept such as duration to remain concrete. So on our schedule, you can see we've got blocks A, B, C, and D. The first lesson was calculating how many minutes each class was. Now later on, I'm working on solidifying the concept of what an hour feels like and what half an hour feels like. A circle for one and half a circle for half an hour. And we also will use the clock. So that's the symbol, and then the explanation for the symbol is from the clock. Every day we count by fives. It's part of our practice. So that's where it came from. So this is the WOW board. It has had many different iterations. Currently, it is just a big whiteboard with the sign, "You made us say wow." There is a rubric for what a student will do to get their name on the WOW board. If I see someone using the information that we have given them and processing it into their daily life, I put their name on, but I make a really big deal out of it. And every day it gets erased. Every day if I say, oh my gosh, I saw that Matthew showed me that he was really observing and thinking about what Anika had said. So Matthew, that's a wow. And I just interrupt myself, write the name on. Then I see Avi, tried something new. He really hates soccer, but we're going to play a soccer game. And so we're all playing together. Avi gets on the WOW board. Anything that I know students will struggle with, but the big ones are show me that you're thinking, that you're trying something new, or that you're persevering. Communication tools, well, I try to prioritize visual communication that can happen quietly. So I have this simple sign that lets students know if they can come to me or if they cannot come to me because I'm busy doing something on the computer or if I'm not available. So if this yellow sign is up, there's always an empty seat beside me. They can come and get some help and then go back to seat themselves, and it makes things more fluid. There's less noise in the classroom because of it. Another tool that we've used, and I got this tip from Yvan Aslan, who is a higher math teacher. Every student, if they're working on an assignment, gets a blue cup, and as soon as they hit a snag and they need help, instead of raising their arms or instead of waiting interminably, they switch it to red. And so then it's just a really fast, quick, silent way of communicating, I need help.